Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video on Lunacy. And in this video we are going to see how to create groups, why it is interesting to create groups in Lunacy. Lunacy, very interesting software to create design of mobile application and also create design of website. It's also possible to create graphic document. Subscribe to this YouTube channels if you like the content, a lot of graphic content on these channels. First link on the description, the complete course Lunacy is available. So if you want to learn starting from scratch this software step by step with a course structure, it is on the first link on the description. You will see the model, the session. My name is I'm online teacher and I can propose this course. It is perfect if you want to master Lunacy. Second link on the description, it is a website in link with these YouTube channels, and on this website you will have a summary of the different courses. So first things to do is to create a artboard. So just to create a frame, I can use my frame tools and left click to start my frames. After that I will go on the right and I will enter two values. The first value will be 800 and the second value will be 460. After to do this work, we will create a rectangle first. So I can create a rectangle, so we'll put this rectangle on this area, and I will reduce this rectangle. After to do this work, I will define a color, fill options, and define the black color. I will use the circle tools and create first circles on this area. With the fill options, I will define the white color, like this, and I will put the circles inside. I will reduce these circles with Shift, and I will duplicate these circles. So I can press Ctrl D. One of the problems is, as you can see, the circle is duplicated on this area. It's not very convenient. And I will repeat the process with Ctrl D multiple times, maybe just 6 times. After to do this work, I can position my first circle here and select all the different circles, and I can work with the Boolean not the Boolean operations. I can just work here and just activate align vertically and put the same space with distribute horizontal spacing. So after to do this work, I will create a group with these different elements. So how to create a group? You can see the frame here, we have these different elements. One of the first interests, you press Shift, you select the different circles, and to create a group, you can go on the top, Groups. You have also the shortcut Ctrl G, or right-click and Group Selections. I can go right-click and Group Selections, or as I explained, you can just click here, Group. After to do this work, I have a group on the left. One of the first interests is to create a group is for your alignment, because if I have a group here, I can directly center my group in the middle. Another interest is you can change the color of all the elements or the style of all the elements in just one click. So I can go on selection color and I can change, for example, the color of all these elements in just one click. Something that you can do also for your group is to resize. So I can press Shift and I can resize my group with all the elements in just one left click. So this is the interest of the group. You can work with alignment, you can change the size, you can scale, and you can change the color, as you can see. If I want to create another group with the rectangles, I can click on this group, Shift, click on these rectangles, and I can activate again group. Just like this. And now I created another group. So if I go left click, now as you can see I have one group, so you can move your group at your convenience. You can also resize, reduce or increase. If I go on the right, I have different options, the color of the circles, like this. And I have also the color of the rectangle. So each time you will see the different colors appearing on this area. I'm just going to click on my groups and come back with Ctrl Z at this moment. When I go here, as you can see, if you resize, you need to be careful. You need to keep the proportionality pressing Shift. If I go on the left, another interesting thing to create a group is to organize your layers. So when you create a group, you can organize inside. You can organize your layers, and the object, you can organize them inside groups. You can also rename with double click, and I can make, for example, element. And inside I have these other groups with the circles. I can double click and just change for circles. If I want to duplicate this group, I can click on this one, Ctrl D, and I can duplicate this group and position, for example, on this area. And now I just copy this group, as you can see. If you want to ungroup an element, I'm going to remove this one. For example, I have this group. You can just click ungroup here, or you have right click and ungroup. You can also have the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-G. So I can click here and just activate ungroup. I ungroup the first one, and if I click here, I can now ungroup also this one, and now I can recuperate my different element. So this is how you can work with group. As you can see, you have different interests, but it's very interesting to master the group because it's very useful in a lot of element of conceptions. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like the content. First link on the description, the complete course Lunacy is available. So if you want to learn this software step by step, starting from scratch with a course structure, everything is on the first link on the description. You will see the models, the session of the course, what you will be able to learn. Concretely, we see all Lunacy software and also trainings at the end of the course. Second link on the description, it is a website. So I'm online teachers, and on this website you have different courses. On this channel you have series of video tutorials to discover and learn website, and on the second link on the descriptions and learn software, and on the second link on the description it is a website with a summary of all the courses. And for our next video, see you. Ciao, ciao.